For all your wiring supplies, visit WiringSupplies.com. Got a wiring job? Whether it's circuit breakers, fuses, switches, connectors, or any other wiring requirement, we've got you covered. And if it's specific automotive wiring supplies you're after, we have everything you need to get that job done. For great quality products at affordable prices, WiringSupplies.com is for you. We offer over 1,500 parts and products, as well as custom fabrication of wiring harnesses, control switch panels, automotive power systems, home and mobile audio, video, and communication supplies. So why choose WiringSupplies.com? You get a wide selection of wiring goods. Quick shipping and personalized service is part of our trademark. Quality products at fair pricing from people who care. Great customer service. Professional know-how with our nearly 50 years experience in sales and service. You're welcome to call for technical advice, help with system planning, or place your order with a real person. We guarantee customer satisfaction. For all your wiring supplies, visit WiringSupplies.com or call 1-855-359-1276 today.